Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1969 Dodge D300 rack body, right, Joe?
Yeah, steak, I guess you
Steak
call it.
body.
That's what it says on the policy.
Very cool. It's almost like original. It's like original paint and everything.
Yep. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, 6-cylinder in the hood. Obviously rear-wheel drive. Looks great. How long have you owned it, Joe?
8 years.
It's a long time. New alternator, new regulator. You patched up the muffler, which is good. You originally bought it to restore or get an idea of what the cab looked like, right?
Yeah, I needed the cab as a
Reference?
reference for another truck that I was going to rebuild.
Power wagon, right?
Yeah, I got a 68 Power Wagon that I've had since '72.
Oh,
And if I had known better, I would have let
50
it keep
years.
for resting, you know?
Oh
But
yeah, who knows? I mean, geez.
Too many other things going on at the time.
Oh God, doesn't everybody? Well, it's all there. Runs great, huh, Joe?
Yeah, it's great, but I just don't. I don't have a use for it.
Yeah.
You know,
This would be great on an old farm or something like that.
Yeah.
Or even, you know, kind of done into a cool pickup. So a 300 is a what? A quarter ton? 3/4?
I think it's
Okay.
a 1 ton.
1 ton.
Yeah.
Love the Mac bowl there. That's pretty cool. Can you open the hood?
Sure.
Let's check it out. Very cool. This wood is ash?
Yes.
Super strong, heavy duty wood. Added hitch. Looks like aluminum runners, right? Or stainless? Can't tell.
I think they're stainless.
Huh. Very cool. Man, what a cool truck. You don't see these around at all. Alright, so what do we got under the hood? Straight 6, right?
Yep.
Do you know what the CC is or CI? You're not sure?
I don't know. That wasn't something I needed to know.
Okay. Runs good though.
Yeah.
Okay. New regulator, new alternator. That's pretty original, huh?
Yep.
Very neat. Carburetor was rebuilt, I could see.
Yes.
Who did that?
Larry Eisgrow?
Oh, okay. Yeah, he's great.
I think he's down at Babylon.
Yep. He knows his shit, that's for sure. Yeah, what a cool truck. You fired up?
Sure.
Yeah. 3-speed manual?
4-speed.
4-speed. Cool. Man, she runs nice, huh, Joe? Runs nice, huh?
Yes. Yeah, we gotta warm up a little bit with the carburetor.
How many miles we got on there?
I just had it inspected. It's 85,868, I think it is.
Wow.
Well, that's what it's.
Yeah, very cool. Just don't see them like this anymore. Very cool. You can kind of barely read the oaks in there. You know?
What's that?
You can barely, almost, man, those windows come down like butter. Super nice. You buzzing around the block?
Sure.
Wow, super torquey. Wow, very low first gear.
Yeah,
huh?
that is I don't usually use that one. You don't need to.
Yeah. Man, this thing gets a lot of attention, I bet. Tight squeeze. Very cool. sounds pretty good.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
You know, this would be a cool, like, pickup conversion. Like a dually, you know?
Just, I'll come right around the other bottom.
Yeah.
There's a bridge across the stream here that I built.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I got a lot of compliments on it.
Wow. Well, you've been in the neighborhood 53 years, right?
Yep.
Very cool. Probably tops out about 45.
Yeah, like 55.
Oh, wow.
Either week, no problem.
Oh, it'll keep up with traffic.
Oh, yeah.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike over at Weeby Autos. Feel free to hit me up at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And thanks a lot for joining us your truck, Joe.